Hi friends, this is Press guys, and of course, andito na naman si Press guys to unbox yung budol na naman natin this New Year season. So pagpasensya na ako guys, mapusok talaga tayo. So yun guys, share ko lang sa inyo, it's flashlight again. It's Woben T1 guys, it's a tactical patrol flashlight guys. To guys, unbox natin ang budol na naman this New Year season. And of course, first and foremost guys, I would like to greet you Happy New Year. Happy New Year guys. So sana magandang sa atin, ang pasok sa atin ng 2026. So yun guys, open natin. Open natin si Woben T1. Yan. Yan guys, open natin. Of course, nakita ko na yung unit and of course it's a manual. Yan, nakita ko yung unit guys. Ang ganda. Unbox natin. Yan, ganda guys. Ganda. Ang ganda ng dating. Duty gun. Ang ganda sa kamay. May strike bezel and of course may clip. Yan guys. Ganda. Very solid yung dating. So, tingnan natin yung included pa sa box niya. Yan guys. Nakalagay dyan sa lalagyan, sa loob. Yan, of course, open natin. Yan guys. May lanyard pa and of course the charging cable. Yan. Ganda. Ang ganda ng lanyard niya. It's a paracord. So, bala na kayo kung gusto niyo siyang ilagay, pero ang ganda niya inclusion sa package ni Woben T1. Yan guys. Yan na naman yung kasama niya. Yan in the box also, and of course guys yung mismo unit guys. Yun guys, i-size comparison natin siya sa existing gamit ko sa ADC, which is the Nightcore. Yan guys. Sakto-sakto lang. So, malaki ng konti si T1. Of course, it's a duty gun. So, yun lang guys. This is press checking unboxing of my Woben T1.